Cognizant is very uniquely positioned in the market space today, for three primary reasons. The first one, is the market reach and the expertise it carries in the IT space. So the maturity to solve large problems, to solve these problems, for a BFSI company, to a manufacturing company, to a healthcare company already exists. So the maturity exists. The second one is understand and converge or transform the problem statements, into the digital arena. The ethos of the company, has been to solve problems, and that's something that has trickled down to our groups like Connected Products. The third one is being in the marketplace, with the power of IT, with the power of engineering, with the power of OT. When you bring all these three pillars together, they become a tripod, of some sort, to balance the entire thing. And that is very uniquely positioned. You can go to a company, which is good with IT. You can go to a company which is good in engineering. You can go to a company which is good in OT. But when you have all the three together, you form a Cognizant. And that's what is unique about it.